Said they're gonna knock down the door instead, while they're watching the kids sleeping in the bed. Put a name tag on the gift, it says Fred, but the kids forgot the dog has not been fed. So they jump out of bed, while Santa's still thinking that they're resting their head. But he had to take a motorbike instead, because he couldn't see the sleigh. He parked it too far away. Santa's riding on a motorbike. Yeah, that's right. Santa's riding on a motorbike. You'll hear him biking almost every night. Santa's riding on a motorbike. Yeah, Santa's riding on a motorbike. Motorbike, motorbike. He quickly said, forget the sleigh. I wanna roll down the road my own way. Oh, forget the reindeer today. Let's go somewhere and buy a motorcycle. This Christmas season gonna be the reason that the reindeer feeding and the feed is on the roof tonight. Alright, maybe not on the roof, on the ground. Oh, Santa, you let me down. I expect you to come down from the chimney, a sound from the chimney or something. No wonder I didn't hear any thumping. No wonder why I didn't hear any thump, thump, thump. Why? Because Santa's on a motorbike. Santa got riz, no wonder he didn't get hit. Don't wanna hear it, that would make me so sick. Without him, who would deliver all the gifts? Santa's on a motorbike. Santa's on a motorbike. Santa's on a motorbike. Oh, Santa's on a motorbike. Motorbike, motorbike, yeah. Get ready, kids. You'll hear that instead of the sleigh bells you usually hear on top of the roof. Too bad. At least it isn't the Grinch. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!